Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the most extraordinary airplane series ever. Brennan's Flight Factor. It's not scary, it's awesome. There's a difference. Anyways, I'm Brennan Henderson, and welcome to another Brennan's Flight Factor episode. And this is a Halloween special that I decided to make for you guys. So that way I can cover for missing out going to Omaha Eppley Airfield for Halloween, but I'm hoping to get back out there on November 7th or somewhere around that area. Nothing's for certain yet, so you know. Anyways, in this episode, I am going to unbox a new airplane model that I just bought a few days ago that just came today. It's a Boeing 737-900 prototype, and the brand is Flight Miniatures. I'm sure some of you have heard of it. I have several Flight Miniature models all around my room, actually, and I'll show you that too. But first things first, let's get to unboxing. Alright, we're opening the box now. And here it is, the Boeing 737-900, next generation. It's a scale 1 to 200 model of the popular short-range jet. The ER is an extended range, as you guys know. Let's see if there's a back to this. And it's the same thing, apparently. On some boxes with Flight Miniatures, they would have info about the plane, but apparently not this one. Alrighty. Alright, we're gonna put this plane together. This is the fuselage, for those who don't know. It's what carries the passengers, obviously. And fun fact, Alaska and Continental Airlines were two of the first customers for the Dash 900 back in the early 2000s, so right around the time I was born. Got the wings and engines in here. Got winglets right here. Ready, you're gonna put this together. Planes can't fly without wings, so this is kind of an important part. Just like when they assemble a real 737. And sometimes these are hard to get put on, the wings. Sometimes they're hard to get into those slots for some reason. So, you know. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. Alright, we got the tail and the stand, and the vertical stabilizer is in here too. It's kind of hard to see. I'll put the stand over here for a minute. Alrighty, let's put the tail on. hold on, I think you actually put this on first. Whoops. Okay, vertical stabilizers first. There's a little hole inside of it that connects with the tail, so now we can put the tail on. And there we go. Alright, let's put the stand on. And here we go, the Boeing 737-900 in the Boeing house colors. Alright, I'm going to show you guys my airplane model collection as of today. Alright, right here is a Southwest 737-700. Here's another 737-700, only it has the Missouri livery on it. Missouri 1, as they call it. And right here is a Southwest 737 MAX 8, which I'm hoping will enter service again real soon. And right here, we have an American 737-800. It's another Flight Miniatures model, so similar to what we just saw. And here's an American A321. This is a plane I flew on last year on Cinco de Mayo. You guys can check that episode out in Season 5 if you would like. And here's an American 767-200. American actually never repainted their 62s. They ended up retiring them in 2014. And right here is the legendary American ND-80, aka the Super 80. I'm proud to have a model of one of these. And here is a US Airways A320 that I got for my birthday this year, like I showed you all in that post. And right here, it's a Delta MD-90 with the 2000 livery. I've had this model for over 6 years now, believe it or not. I've had a lot of my models for several years now. And as we saw earlier, my latest edition, the 737-900 Boeing house plane. And here's some old-timing planes. This one right in front is a P-40 Warhawk, and I don't know what this one is called. I think it came out in the 1920s or something like that. And up here we have the US Airways Express ERJ-175, an American Eagle CRJ-700, a United 767-300, and this is a United 737-800 with split scimitar winglets. This is a Gemini Jets model. And here's another Gemini model, a Southwest 737-300. I last flew one of these in 2017. Fun fact. And right here is a FedEx 777-200. This one's a big model, actually. This is scale 1 to 200, believe it or not. Here is a Delta 717. I recently heard that they're going to retire these in December 2025, so we only have like 5 years left with these. And here is the now retired Delta MD-88. I really wish I was able to get a ride on one of these earlier this year, but that's okay. And here is an Allegiant 757-200. These haven't flown in a while either, actually. And right over here is the Allegiant MD-80. MD-83, I believe. And that's my collection. Oh wait, hold up. Almost forgot. The TWA 727-200. Now, here, this is what I call old. And that makes my entire collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'm thankful that you guys watched it. Thank you for watching this, and please give a like, a share, and even a subscription. Please subscribe for some more videos if you would like. That could really help me out. And yeah. And like I said, I will try to get back out to Omaha Eppley Airfield really soon. It might be sometime at the beginning of November, I'm not sure. Hopefully that'll be the case. And here's a little update on that laptop I talked to you about. There was some issues with the payment, so I'll have to go to a physical Apple store to finally get it. So it'll be soon. I'm hoping to do it as soon as November 1st. So yeah. Alrighty. See you next time.